Right, so the first type of cubic function is of this form, and so when we draw this graph, basically it has goes through the origin at 0, 0, and it has a point of inflection. That point means the gradient is equal to 0. The gradient of the graph actually is flat. It's flat at that point, right? Gradient means it's flat at that point. And all other graphs, right? This first type is of the same form, basically drawing the same shape, except the axis has basically moved to a different position. Right, so when I draw these ones, all I do is work out where the new axis is. So is that it's going to cross, in this case it's going to go across 2 and up 2. So I imagine a new set of axes that has moved, and this is where I'll draw my graph. So I'm drawing exactly the same thing, nothing different, the same shape, but in a different position. Right, now before I do that, I need to work out whereabouts it's crossed the y-axis and x-axis. So this is our equation. To find out where it's crossed the y-axis, I'll let x equals 0. So I get y equals 2 minus 0 minus 2 cubed plus 2. Right, so it's 2 times, not square root, 2 times negative 2 cubed plus 2. So negative 2 cubed, that is negative 8, so it becomes times 2, negative 16 plus 2. So we'll be crossing the y-axis at negative 14. So somewhere down here at negative 14. Negative 14 is crossing. Now I need to find out where it crosses the x-axis. So in that case, I let y equals 0 and solve for that. So 0 equals 2 x minus 2 cubed plus 2. I transpose this. So negative 2 equals 2x minus 2 cubed. Okay, divide, transpose the 2, so 2 equals x minus 2 cubed. So I've got negative 1 equals x minus 2 cubed. So the cube root of negative 1, cube root of negative 1, will give me negative 1. And x equals negative 1 plus 2 gives me 1. So it will cross the x-axis at 1. So they're my important points, where it crosses the x-axis and where it crosses the y-axis. Now I can draw my graph. Just like I said before, it's exactly the same graph, doesn't change. I had a point of inflection here. It's going to go through that point and travel past the y-axis, crosses the y-axis at negative 14. Just to check that's right, so that's question 2a. If you want to compare it, look at the answers. So I'll just copy that. See if it looks similar to what the answer shows. Okay, over here's the answers. So So I'm looking at 2A, sorry, going across, is crossing at negative 14 and going through 1. So that is what I have. Paste it over here. Right, it's looks similar to what they have here. The main thing is that where it crosses the y-axis and where it crosses the x-axis, and you need to get the general shape right. Okay, so okay, we'll have a look at some more examples. All right, have a look at some more examples. That will do for now.